गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, मैं अंजनी कुमार डिफेंस फैमिली टिप्स में आपका स्वागत है. सो टुडे द टॉपिक आई हैव टेकन इज वेदर यू शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर बैंकिंग एग्ज़ाम और एसएससी एग्ज़ाम. इफ़ यू आर going to retire very soon, you are ex-serviceman, so which is better, SSC is better or banking exam is banking service is better? So a lot of requests coming from various subscribers, various ex-servicemen who are going to retire in 2020 end or 21, 22. So they requested me, sir, kindly suggest uh, I should prepare for SSC exam or banking exam. So here is the video for that. First of all, I will congratulate every waiting list one candidate of SBIJ 2019 who are going to join on 15th July. Finally, their wait is over, and in the month of August, first or second week, I am expecting waiting list 2 will come for SBIJ. So, as you know, I was in Indian Navy and joined in 96, and initial engagement was for 20 years. So my retirement was in September 2016. So 2 years before retirement, in year 2014, there is something called expiry of engagement. So in 2014, expiry of engagement, EES, was there for me also. So since I was low medical category, I could not extend my service beyond 20 years. So that time this questions came in my mind, क्या करना चाहिए, एसएससी की तैयारी करें या बैंकिंग की. सो आफ्टर वेरियस फीडबैक फ्रॉम सीनियर्स, मैं सोचा एसएससी इज़ बेटर, एंड मेरे व्यू में भी एसएससी इज़ बेटर देन बैंकिंग जॉब. बट देयर आर फ्यू ड्रॉबैक्स of SSC, because of which I finally joined bank, and now how I am feeling, that also I will share in with you. So in 2015, I purchased the book for SSC preparation, previous year papers, and I will suggest everyone, either you are preparing for banking or SSC, first thing you should buy is previous year papers of last 5 to 10 years. You take the previous year book and start preparing on that. You will get the format. So I was preparing for SSC in 2015. I started that preparation. And one more thing, if your English and math is very good, then you should definitely go for SSC. But if you are, in my case, my math was good, but advanced math was not that much good, that is trigonometry and geometry. So still I was hoping, and only 15 vacancies were there in 2016 SSC. Only 15 vacancies were there for income tax inspector, the post I was eyeing for. So there was a tough competition. So in 2016, I filled the form of banking also. So since banking exams happens very fast, so my preparation shift from SSC to banking in 2016. So SBIJ exam, pre-exam was there, and after that mains exam was there. So my focus from SSC shifted to banking, because I will suggest don't miss any opportunity, because you don't know you will be able to clear exams or not. I filled the form for IBPS also, RRB clerk also, RBI assistant also. Okay. So what happened, I cleared SBI J 2016, so I decided to join it because SSC was taking a lot of time for joining, and no one knows you will get income tax inspector or not. So in my pre-exam, my marks was around 130. So I was not sure that I will come in top 15. That's why I joined SBI J in 2016 December. And at the same time, I was appearing for SSC Tier 2 also. After joining SBI, only I appeared. I taken leave of 3 days and went to Mumbai. So once I joined SBI, my preparation for SSC was affected, and again in Tier 2 my score average, I think math it was around 140 and English around 120-25. So overall, if you will take it, it was around 390 to 400, and that was out of 600. So that was, I think, not sufficient to get me the income tax inspector. So as you know, I retired as a chief petty officer, but my basic went to 4600 because of I completed more than 8 years as chief petty officer. I did not get promotion as MCPO because of my low medical category. But my basic pay at the time of retirement was 4600. So I was getting 2800 grade pay job in SSC. So and that by that time it was 2018. So I was already settled in SBI, and I applied for home loan and was getting around 12 to 13,000 interest benefit plus pay fixation had happened, and I was getting around 50 plus in hand. So when I calculated all, I find that it's better to remain in SBI than to join this SSC job with grade pay 2800. A few of my friends who left SBI and they joined grade pay 2800 job. I asked them the reason. The main reason what they told me is the city posting. So in banking you may get village posting, which is not there in SSC. Mostly you will get city posting. That is the plus point. So I hope you all will understand what is better for you. If you are retiring, I will suggest, if you are retiring as a petty officer or sergeant or havildar, you may join at 2800 grade pay in SSC. For you'll get every year increment, and in bank you get a stagnation increment. After 3 years you'll get, once you'll reach at maximum level of 31,540, your stagnation increment starts, and you'll get increment every 3 years. That is one of the major drawback of banking. Also the workload in banking is comparatively more than SSC jobs. What I have got feedback from my friends who are working in SSC. So there are always some plus, some minus points. Yes, if you will take loans, home loan or four-wheeler loan or personal loan, being in SSC candidate, you will not get interest rate benefits. As a banker I am getting interest rate benefit in home loan and saving around 13,000 rupees per month. So these are the pros and cons of joining SSC and banking. Hope you will understand what is better for you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video.